Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Jean Ignacio Marsan. I am married with 3 teenage children, 19 years old, twin boys, and 18 years old daughter. We live in Almaguer South, Bambang, Nueva Vizcaya. I am the youngest of 3 children. I am second year college level, ma'am. I have 8 years experience of domestic helper in Hong Kong. First, ma'am, I worked in Hong Kong for 6 years from 2015 to 2021. I do all household chores like cleaning, washing, ironing clothes, and cooking. And my main duty is to take care of the babies. Second, ma'am, I work in Hong Kong again for 2 years, from 2021 to 2023. Couple with 2 children, 5 years old and 8 years old, ma'am. I do all the household chores like cleaning, washing, and ironing clothes. And my main duty is to take care of the kids. I have a recommendation letter, ma'am, for my second employer. Third, ma'am, I work in Hong Kong again for 3 months only. To the couple with 4 years old boy, I do all the household chores. The reason why I did not continue my work because my mother-in-law who took care of my children was died. As a sign of respect and gratitude to all the sacrifice that she do, I went home. Please select me, ma'am, as your helper because I am hardworking, responsible, and honest person. I promise to finish my contract and I am very much willing to extend my contract as long as you need me, ma'am. Hoping that someone will hire me, ma'am, for the needs of my family, especially for their college of my children, ma'am. Thank you and God bless, ma'am.